Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can unlock your phone without any passcode or computer. Guys, if your phone has been locked and you are unable to unlock your phone as you have forgotten your phone password, I will tell you step by step how you can unlock your phone without any passcode or computer. Guys, to fix this problem, you have to need another phone. It can be Android phone or iPhone. In my case, I am using my second Android phone, and if you are using second iPhone, you can use your Safari browser to fix this problem. And I am opening my Chrome to fix this problem. Guys, go to Chrome and type icloud.com. It will show a screen like that. Just simply click on sign in and sign in with the same Apple ID. Guys, make sure that you're signing here the same Apple ID that is sign in on the phone with password you have forgotten. So I am signing here the same Apple ID that is sign in on my this phone. Click on find devices. So here is the list of devices which are sign in with the same Apple ID. So select your device which password you have forgotten and is locked and click on erase iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. It is asking for two-factor authentication. Please provide your verification code here. Once you did it, this screen is optional. You do not have to put anything in this section. Just simply click on next and click on done. Wait for a few seconds until your erase starting. As you can see, your phone has started erasing. Now simply remove from this device. Removing from this device will help you while set up this phone. So I am removing from this device. Enter the Apple ID password here to remove from this device. As you can see, I have removed from this device, so further there is no more need of this phone. Wait until your erase completed. As you can see, your phone has been erased and restored completely. Now let me set up this phone. Select your language and country or region where you live. Click on setup manually and connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. Guys, I have connected with a Wi-Fi network and I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time anymore. Welcome to iPhone. As you can see, your phone has restored and completely and erased completely. Now you can use your phone as normal mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.